Happy holidays from all of your friends here at College Coach. There are just a few days left until January 1st deadlines, and you might be wondering, how do I know for sure that I actually submitted my applications? Here's how. If you used the Coalition, head on over to the colleges section. Underneath each school name, you'll see a progress bar. If you actually submitted your application through the Coalition, you'll see that the progress bar says 100%, and there will be a day and time that you actually submitted that application to that individual school. On the Common Application, head on over to the Dashboard tab. Next to each school name, you'll see a little triangle. When you click on that, a drop-down screen will appear. If you submitted the application, it will either say submitted along with the date, or if it was actually already downloaded by the college, you'll see that date indicated as well. One more week to go, and best of luck with all of your remaining applications, and we'll see you next week with a final tip. Take care.